Hi everybody, welcome to Market Stock and Weekly Analysis for the upcoming week between July the 27th and July the 31st. Last week we had one piece of very important information, which was the Japanese trade balance, which was in negative 268.8 billion yen, of course for the pandemic and such things, which of course had a strong reflection on the yen. And for the upcoming week we have the Aussies, the Australian CPI, the FOMC, the Federal Reserve statement, the US interest rate, the US GDP, the Euro CPI. Inflation numbers. So it's some kind very heavy week. Okay. Last week I recommended two trades for the pound kiwi, and I recommended that it's going to, I forecasted that it's going to go bull, and again 120 pips for that. Also, I recommended, if you can recall from the previous video, the Kiwi Swiss franc that is going to go bear for a while, then it's going to bull. I get benefit from the short bearish trend, and I got a 32 pips profit. I hope you get profited too. Alright. As you know, I'm using a fundamental indicator made by us called MFI. Right, the MFI is no longer giving me good signals for the pound kiwi or the Kiwi Swiss. On contrary, it's giving me a very negative signs. Look at the kiwi index. We can see that the kiwi has just broke the upper side of the wedge, of the falling wedge, which means that it might go higher and higher. So at this moment, I recommend to just avoid the kiwi in any trade, because it could be a double-edged sword. Could go more bullish, or it may retrace. Okay, here the pound index. I can see that when it's directing upwards to the higher edge of the falling wedge of the index, and the MFI is giving me a very strong indications toward the Swiss franc. Here the Swiss franc index, we can see that it's at a resistance, a very resistant point, and it's getting ready to retrace. On the other hand, I can see that the pound is getting ready to pull, and I can see here the trend is a very bullish trend. This is for the currencies. This week I'm going to trade this pair only. I don't see any good signs for any other pair. I recommend, as I said, to pull out any kiwi trades, as it's very sensitive at the moment. Also, I would like to say that the most important point here is the gold and silver. I have to trade gold and silver now. Okay, so there is a very strong recommendation for the gold or silver. Okay, I'm not going to tell you about it here. It has to be explained in a separate video. Wait for this separate video. It's gonna take like extra 2 days. It's going to be a very interesting video about the gold silver relations, gold silver ratio, gold silver prices, where it's going to be directed, and the prices of both of them is very seductive at the moment. So I recommend not to jump into trade for the gold silver at the moment. Wait for the video to get informed about the correct forecast. right? Anyway, I would like to thank you very much for following me. Please when you find this, if you found these videos interesting, feel free to share it with others and give a thumb up. Thank you very much for watching us.